We're on day 19 of 90 of our 90-day success sprint, and I'm so pumped to see where it will take us all. This program isn't just about reaching, financial goals. Okay, starting over again. Cut. Okay. And action. We're on day 19 of our 90-day success sprint right now in my community. I'm super pumped to see where it will take us all. This program isn't just about reaching financial goals. It's about reinventing how we work, how we live, and how we contribute to the world. This model offers you a chance to earn while learning, to grow while helping others grow, and do it in a way that fits into just a few hours a day. It's perfect for those of us dedicated to raising mindful, conscious children and providing heartfelt services without losing ourselves to overwhelming workloads or draining toxic clients and companies. Why do people like us believe we've got to continue the struggle when there's a clear, supportive path laid out for us? If you're ready to change your family's financial landscape and build a heartfelt legacy, now's the time. Join me and 31,000 others in this incredible journey. Say yes in the comments or reach out to me to start your transformation. Let's embrace this generative, supportive business model together.